This is Pedal Out. I'm in a pit, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the undertray beneath the engine in a 2011 Lotus Evora S. So as you can tell, there's the back of the Lotus, and you can see the pit below with the light on, and you can see here you have this metal black diffuser, and then beneath that you have the larger engine panel with the 10mm bolts that we're going to loosen off and seize. But we'll take a look from underneath, get the car jacked up a bit so we've got a bit more working room, and remove that under tray. Okay, so we are under the Lotus Evora S now. We are in the pit. Now I realise not everybody probably has a pit, so you're going to need to jack your car up first, get it on some axle stands to be able to slide underneath it, unless you're really slim, of course. And you need to do that, find the jacking points, which are very handily marked. Can you see here with these blue labels? So we are just in front of the rear wheel. So this is the rear wheel, this is the back of the car, the front of the car is this way, and you have these nice labels here and these lovely strong panels, and it's the same. If I look around here over this side, there you go, you can see just here we've got a little blue label there, jacking panel there. So we've got a bit of working room under here, albeit not much, and you can see this is where the panel underneath the engine kind of meets the other removable panel into the exhaust, and then over there you've got the big black diffuser at the rear of the car. So we're going to pop these bolts off and see what it looks like. So before we jack it up, what we're going to do, we don't, in the absence of any penetrating fluid, we're using, I know people will moan, trusty WD, but either way, this is going to loosen these nuts up a little bit. True red china fashion. That's dripping down on me. So there you go, that should just help get the we get the spanner on those ready to undo them shortly. So we'll leave that to work, and then we'll get the car jacked up. Okay, so what we are going to do, we found the jacking point, we saw that earlier. We've got a nice sturdy jack, it's on a solid concrete floor. We're going to line up the jack in point with the jack. Make sure we're covering all of that jacking point nicely. Really, what you should be doing is have two of you do this. Never go under a car it's only supported by a jack, even with a pit, because you could get crushed between the pit and the car, which would not be nice. Right, what we're doing once we've jacked the car up, so we're going to slide, rather than use an axle stand, because there is no clear location where the axle stand can go, we're going to slide a wheel ramp under it. Okay, so you can see we've got the car jacked up. We have a wheel ramp there. That's what we're going to slide under there, because we do not want to be, needs to go a bit further, we do not want to be under that car, even in a pit, supported by just a jack. Important to make sure you get the right size jack. This is a 2-ton trolley jack. It's low profile, so it's great for sports cars. And you're going to need to spend a bit of money on a jack if you're jacking up a sports car. Don't use the kind of naff one. So we've got the ramp there securely underneath the wheel. Let's probably not the best sized ramp in the world, but the handbrake's on, the car is in gear. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. We will let that down gently, very gently, onto the ramp, and then hopefully we can get around and do the other side. Okay, we have annoyingly, we're down to this last bolt. These are all 10mm. Someone has put in a different bolt. You can tell it's even got a different label on it. It says, I don't know, different number, but that is not a 10mm. Ridiculous. If you're seeing this jack here, this isn't the only thing supporting the car. I've just put it here just to stop the car moving. Right, this tray should come off like that. There we go. And you can see the bottom of the Lotus Evora S. So there you have. That's how you remove the panel from the bottom of your Lotus Evora S. Refitting it is the same as the removal reversal. Now we can pop these bolts back in here, slide this Undertray back in, and then lower the car and we're done. One of the things I like to do is put a bit of grease on the things, just not much, but just makes them less likely to seize, more easy to get out next time. One of these was 13, wasn't it? Okay, let's get these guns back in using our handy tool. Oh, that's nice. It rests on these ledges, so it slots into there first and then rests on these ledges here. It's really nice. It makes it easy. Right, let's put this obscure bolt in here first. That was the odd numbered one. Do them all a little bit loose. Where's me? Here it is. I'm going to pop one out, see if we've got any more.